King Lear is about an aging king that decides to step down from his throne and divide his kingdom evenly among his 3 daughters. While this is happening, 2 out of his 3 daughters begin to undermine his father's authority, and King Lear realizes this and slowly goes insane. This Shakespeare play was firstly published in 1605.
King Lear is about an aging king who decides to split up his kingdom between his 3 daughters. 2 of his daughters suck up to him, while the one who truly loves him doesn't. She's thrown out of the kingdom. Because of her honesty, the King of France decides to marry her. After this, the 2 daughters disrespect King Lear, throw him out, and he eventually goes insane. Throughout this story, there's also a side story where the Earl of Gloucester believes his conniving son Edmund and throws out his honest son Edgar because of one of his plots. While this is happening, Cordelia builds an army to go back and invade Britain to save her father, where France is eventually defeated. Edgar and Edmund decide to fight each other to protect Britain and save his father. While this is happening, Goneril, one of King Lear's daughters, decides to poison his other daughter and her sister, Regan, because Edmund favors Regan. At the end, Edgar kills Edmund, and Edmund has a change of heart and decides he wants to save Cordelia, but it's too late, she's already dead.
What inspired Shakespeare to make this play was another play made by Raphael Holinshed called The Chronicles. It was about a legendary king that was also named Lear and his 3 daughters. Shakespeare's play is near identical to Holinshed's, but does not obtain a happy ending. This was first published in 1577.
Shakespeare's play King Lear has influenced many stories. One example is Empire, TV show about a ex-drug dealer / hip-hop mogul who decides to split up his empire between his 3 kids. Another example is Fool, which is a story from the perspective of the king's jester, King Lear.
Fun fact, Shakespeare's play King Lear was acted out in the book Station 11.